Son of international recording artist Jah Mason shot and killed while on TikTok live. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The son of reggae artist Jah Mason was shot and killed while on TikTok Live, the popular social media app. Dead is Jabari Johnson, otherwise called Baba Skeng. Johnson was along Reddit's Road in St. Andrew playing a game on TikTok when he was approached from behind by a masked gunman who shot him multiple times in the head and upper part of the body. The attacker then fled the scene on foot in the area. Johnson was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A video of the incident has since gone viral on social media.
I spent I play music. I am father blink, but I want seller man. In a year, but they will put it up much time, man. Bless by the body though. Yo, my side, on a snipe of this stuff for me there, please. Me I beg on a snipe. Beg on a snipe them my side, please.
Empress, beef on the last piece.
Johnson is the latest individual to be shot and killed on TikTok Live in recent months. Last December, TikToker and influencer Xavier Fogo, otherwise called Naya Gang, died in a similar incident. In the same month, 23-year-old Marlon Samuel, known as 41 Bossed, was also shot and killed while on TikTok Live. The police has since commenced an investigation into the incident. Since news of his passing, a number of popular TikTokers have reacted to his death.
Awa. You know see what go on with Baba J, with Baba Skeng? No, me see last night when me I got me bed. But me never know who. Oh, it's sad. I just want a little piece of sit me see with two pictures. Me I say me I put two and two together. Me see when the dog like what.
Why you see the whole altercation?
You see what see
Bro, me say brawl in the dark in there.
Jano.
I think we need to have I need all of us as Jamaicans to have a prayer meeting for this place. Me
So
think,
what are they? Where you come from?
I think Red Hills Road.
Oh.
Yeah, I think the Jamaicans need to have a prayer service, man, and just invite back God in a thing. You know them little way there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, open them hearts to the Almighty, you know? Like, bro, let me tell you something. You see, when God not in a thing, it care nice. You understand me? You see, for once a Satan in a thing, it a go cause all kind of turmoil and destruction. You understand me? We have to invite the Lord back into this. You understand me? I said, you have to, the most of them have to consecrate them soul. Pray and ask God for the deliverance for this year up here. You understand me? The people who take this serious over here, I think them need to have a worship. You understand me? A worship. I want to say worship, me no mean none of the fake shit them what them do for gifts and them thing. You understand me? Like a real intervention, like to say, all right, let's invite the Lord back into the vlogging. Let's invite the Lord back into our lives. Let's invite the Lord back into a clean mind space. You know what I'm looking weird there? We have to do that, bro. Because if you don't realize, true God not in anything, it thing really a f***. You understand what I deal with me, G? Because, bro, you see, anyway, Father God there, so much turmoil no go on with them, boy. You understand what I
I no joke.
Yeah, man. You see, for once God involved, everything smooth, everything nice. Me, I tell you that. At first, and me know that, me see that, me know for myself. So for once you invite God and say, all right, God.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.